Hi everyone, welcome to Edupedia world. This is Varun Ganga. Guys, in our previous sessions, through an example, we have learned how an expert at his level could use this Anurupya Sutra in finding the cube of a two-digit number. And now, in this session, we are going to have a look at one more example. So, why to wait? Let's see. The example that I am going to take here is find the cube of 22. So friends, to find the cube of 22, at first we have to make a table as shown here. I think you have pretty idea about the rows that we used in Anurupya Sutra at beginner's level. Here too, we use the same process but at very short level. Now coming to the table, in the first row, in the first part, what we have to do here is, we have to cube the digit in tens place of given number. So here in the example 22, the digit in tens place is 2. By cubing 2, we will get 8 as the answer, and this 8 I have written in the next row over here. Moving to the second part, here we have to multiply the square of the digit in tens place with the digit in ones place. Since in the given example 22, we have 2's in tens place as well as in ones place. So therefore, we get 2 square into 2, which is equal to 4 into 2, and that is equals to 8. And this 8 I have written in the next row simplification over here. Now moving to the third part, here we have to multiply the digit in tens place with the square of the digit in ones place. So here in the example 22, we are having 2's in both the tens place as well as in ones place. So therefore, 2 into 2 square is equals to 2 into 4, which is equals to 8. And this 8 I have written in the next row simplification over here. Finally, moving to the fourth part, here we have to cube the digit that is in ones place. So here in the number 22, we are having 2 in ones place, and by cubing the number 2, we will get 8 as the answer, and this 8 I have written in the next row simplification over here. After finishing the first row process, moving to the second row, here we have to double the second part and third part answers of first row. So in the second part, we got 8, and if we double it, we get 16 as answer, and this 16 I have written here. And after that, coming to the third part, we have got 8, and if we double it, we get 16 as answer again, and this 16 I have written here. After finishing second row process, moving to the third row, here we have to add up all the answers what we have got in first row and second row. So here if we observe in the fourth part, we don't have any other numbers to add up. So what I have done here is, I have taken the number and have written directly in the answer like this in the third row. Now moving to the third part, here we are having two numbers, that is 8 and 16. By adding these two numbers, we will get 24 as the answer, and I have written over here in the third row. Moving to the second part, here we are having 8 and 16. By adding these two numbers, we will get 24 as the answer, and I have written in the third row like this. Now finally moving to the first part, here we don't have any other numbers to add up, so I have written the number 8 as it is in the answer like this. After getting all the parts, that is first part, second part, third part and fourth part in third row, what we have to do here is, we have to add up all the parts by using some special rules of additions and carry-ons. So here, coming to the fourth part, if we observe, we have only one digit. So therefore, we have to write that digit as it is directly in the answer like this. Now moving to the third part, here we have got 24 as the answer, but 24 it is a two-digit number. But according to our rules and regulations, we should have only one digit. So therefore, I am taking the digit in ones place, that is 4 in the answer, and the remaining number 2, I am taking it as carry on to the second part. So here in the second part, we have got 24 as answer, and by adding the carry on 2, we will get 26 as the answer. But 26, it is a two-digit number. So we have to take the digit in ones place, that is 6, and the remaining number 2 should be taken as carry on to the first part. So here, coming to the first part, we have got 8 as answer, and by adding the carry on 2 to it, we will get 10 as the answer. Since there are no more parts to take the carry ons, we write the answer what we have got directly in the answer. So finally, by clubbing all the digits what we have got, that is 10648, we get the final answer, that is 22 cube is equals to 10,648. So guys, this is the way how we can use Anurupiyana Sutra at an expert level. I hope that you have understood pretty well how to use this Anurupiyana Sutra in finding the cube of a given two-digit number. In the next session, we will be having some more examples regarding the same concept of finding the cubes by using Anurupiyana Sutra at an expert level. For watching this, thank you. Have a nice day.